Here, man, this has really been a blast.
Yeah, absolutely.
We can't wait to come back.
Can't wait to have you.
I was like 3 miles away. I was
I'll come back after that shit.
Yeah.
And I was running from your window.
I've been.
Oh, yes, I sure know where I've
This
been.
time of year, don't get to thinking.
Like, yeah.
I gotta travel on again.
It's time to ramble along again.
'Cause I was born an outcast.
Yeah.
Said a stranger to this
Oh,
land.
boy, you're a stranger to this land.
Got society and try to tell
Oh, yes,
me
they're always telling me
what it means to be a man.
just what it takes to be a man.
I never listen kindly.
Oh, no.
About that shit that they had to say.
Oh, that shit they're gonna say.
Freaks like us are gonna stand
We
united.
gonna stay united.
Self-medicated every day.
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 Self-medicated every day. Some folks call it reefer.
Yeah.
Lovers call it weed.
Oh, yeah, there's some that call it weed.
I'll just call it freedom.
Like our freedom.
About all I'll ever need.
It gives me all I ever need.
Don't get too excited.
Oh, no.
Baby, don't get upset.
Oh, honey, don't you get upset.
Grace like us gonna stand
We
united.
gonna stay
They
united.
can't stop us, no, not yet.
We'll try to stop us if you dare.
Self-medicated every day.
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 Self-medicated every day. don't know where I'm going,
No, no, no.
but I sure know where I've been.
Oh, yes, I sure know where I've been.
This time of year you don't get to thinking
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I gotta travel on again.
It's time to travel along again.
I was born an outcast,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
to the stranger to this land.
Always a stranger to this land.
Got society trying to tell
Oh, yes,
me
they're always telling me
what it means to be a man.
just what it means to be a man.
Never listen kindly
No, no, no.
about that shit that they had to say.
Oh, that shit they gonna say.
Freaks like us will stand
Please
united,
understand you're not dead.
self-medicated every day,
Self-medicated every day.
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 self-medicated every day.
All right, thank you very much for having us. Yeah. Quick two-piece, and we gotta clean all this shit up. So.
Let's thank Matthew Lacey for ripping out his guitar this evening for you guys.
Sarah Haywacker, everybody.
Got Brian Metallic over here holding down on it. We have Mr. Rainbow on the banjo. We got Keith on drums. And Dan on bass.
Thank you all. Thank you, Mark, for hooking us up, and thank you guys for coming.
Oh, thank you for having
I
us.
had a great time.
We did
I don't know
too.
about the rest of them, but I had a fucking awesome time.
Yeah,
Yay me!
you.
Yay me! You deserve to have a good time, and I did.